This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare MK4 vs MK4s, which is better. Focus on performance, features, and value to decide which fits your needs. I will explain engine feel, interior quality, and long-term reliability in simple terms. Expect real-world examples, honest pros and cons, and clear takeaways to help you choose. Stay tuned for a short ad break with a quick recommendation that might make your car smell better. Let's dive into performance and feel first. I'll describe acceleration, steering, and braking so you can understand how each model behaves on real roads. I'll mention where the MK4 shows sharper feedback and where the MK4's trades a touch of precision for comfort. You'll hear about throttle mapping, transmission behavior, and how those traits affect daily commuting and weekend drives in straightforward, conversational terms for easy comparison. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your interior smelling fresh. It pairs nicely with road trips or test drives. I've placed a link and extra deals in the description so you can check options. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover features and value so you can weigh options sensibly. I'll summarize interior amenities, infotainment differences, and optional packages that change ownership costs. We'll look at how each model balances fun and practicality, and which option gives better resale prospects or upgrade paths. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea whether to prioritize immediate performance or long-term comfort and convenience when choosing between the two.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.